It's already time to get to the final trade of the day with Alan Knuckman, the Chief Market Strategist at BullseyeOption.com. Hello to you, Alan. What do you see happening from the trading floor?
Hi, Angie. We're coming off an epic big week for stocks. We mentioned it last week that it was important to see how the markets react. We saw a fake out breakdown and the markets bounced back, which has been very, very positive for the bulls.
You are a big bull. Are you spotting any bullish signs in the market, Alan?
Everywhere you look turned the other way last week, in a good way for bulls, in the fact that you had the S&P up 6%, the NASDAQ up 6%, the 10-year note yield down 6%, and we also saw the VIX down about 30%. So these are all very much positives if you trade what you see.
Any thoughts about this being an election day and the stock market action?
Speaking of trade what you see, we've got some elections here coming out, but again, it's about price, not policy or politics. The fact is the S&P went below that 4,200 support that was crucial and bounced back right back up through it, which was a test and reject. Now we're looking to fill in that gap at 4,400, which is a halfway point of the range that we've been in for more than 6 months.
What's your trade of the day for us?
All right, let's talk about boring. Trading should be boring. It's about positioning for success. Today I'm looking at AT&T, a dinosaur stock. Now this is a stock that's got a PE of 6, and it's actually got a dividend yield of about 7%. Now, I'm an options trader. I use my stock substitution strategy, so we're not going to capture that dividend, but it makes it attractive. This stock is at 30-year lows. It's been trading between 14 and 16 here for a number of weeks. A breakout of the range targets 18. So what I'm looking to do is position, as this is done last year, it rallied from 14 up to 20. We've got bullish divergence, meaning that we've got a sentiment shift with buyers coming in and accumulating long positions. And we also have bullish divergence in the fact that we made new lows, but not new highs in implied volatility.
What's your call options plan for potential profit in AT&T, and where do you see this stock heading?
All right, the way to play. Now listen here. I'm looking at a January option. January of 2025. Yes, that is right. 440 days of time. Now, it's only $30 more expensive than buying January of next year. So why not buy the extra time? Take time out of the equation. I'm looking at a January 13 call. Again, we're at 30-year lows at 13. The 13 call is trading for about 3.25. It's almost $3 in the money with plenty of time. Now, if we get to the modest $20 level, that option gains 100%. So we've got 440 days with limited risk, $325 investment to see if we can see this stock stage a turnaround. And all of my technical indicators are lining up for a play to the upside on AT&T.
Thank you, Alan, for your Trader Talk.
Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.